What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on WIF, which is a coin that I am currently trading. So if you are interested what is the exact price that I'm currently expecting this coin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a 4-hour chart. This was a main time frame on which I decided to open a long position. We opened it on this exact level, so currently we are in a profit around like 17.6% of a net market. The biggest profit was 21% of a net market. Right now I'm expecting we are gonna take liquidity in this bearish order block, which is between levels 1.079 and 0.990. And that's why I have here my next take profit target. In the long-term perspective, I still think that this pump is far from over, but right now, as I said, I will be watching what we will do in this bearish order block. So if there will be breakout and then support confirmation, there will be definitely a room for another pump. But if on the other hand, this will be really strong resistance and we will just get here a resistance confirmation, this will probably mean that we are gonna retest lower levels. Right now, the main support is area around level 0.906, because you can see historically here it was like really important resistance here as well, and for example here historically this was like really important support, so definitely keep an eye on it. Right now, if we are gonna, for example, after a retest of this bearish order block area, if there will be like a resistance confirmation and we are gonna retest this area, this can be actually a decent long entry. In this case, your entry will be probably around this level. Stop loss, you need to probably place, like the stop loss needs to be around like 5% of a net market, something like that, to have at least a decent risk reward ratio, because my main take profit target from this trade will be above this bearish order block, so above the level 1.185, which will be a potential profit around 31% and potential risk reward ratio around 6. So if you will take multiple take profit targets, which I really recommend doing, then your risk reward ratio is going to be around 4, something like that, which is still really good setup. The main resistance that I am currently watching is this bearish order block area. In the ideal scenario, this is the area where I am planning to take my biggest profits from this trading position, because it will be from the entry a potential pump around like 40%, something like that. But I'm planning to take, let's say, most of the profits under this previous important highs. But if we are gonna retest this area and there will be a breakout with a support confirmation, this can be actually another really great entry. Stop loss in this case you need to place just under this bearish order block, because after support confirmation, if there will be breakdown with resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than is necessary. And last take profit targets you can actually place under $2 mark, because once there will be that support confirmation, we don't have here that much liquidity and that much important resistance area, so for the price it shouldn't be that big of a deal to do a bigger moves. But right now, keep in mind, if you are in my Discord trading group, if you're not, link to join is in the description or in the comments, but if you took this trade with me right now, you should definitely take at least some of the profits, because as I said, we are in a profit around like 17.7% over that market, and usually we are trading this with leverage. So the profit here right now is really great. And also it's important to say that we just take important liquidity under this previous important resistance, which will be, in case of a support confirmation, an important support. But right now there is still, let's say, high probability that this can be just a fake out and we can go retest this bullish order block area. So the last thing that you want to do from a position that was like 20% of a net market in profit is to switch it into a loss. Another chart that I want to look at is a daily time frame. Like on a daily time frame, you can see we are still really undervalued. We are still down around like 81% from this previous high. And yeah, in my opinion, this coin will probably pump. Like, come on, guys, this is a meme coin. Meme coins in the bull markets are usually pumping really heavily. If you are thinking about opening here some long-term long position, then definitely watch this really important bearish order block area, which is between levels 1.40 and 0.989. And in my opinion, like opening a long position on the current level is not a great idea. From the technical analysis, I will be, let's say, speculating here for some long-term long position if there will be breakout and then support confirmation of this bearish order block area, or if there will be a retest of this lower bullish order block, like this area between level 0.571 and 0.523 is really good speculation for a limit long trade, and the exact trade can look exactly like this. So entry will be somewhere above this bullish order block, stop loss you can place somewhere under, so the stop loss will be around like 11-10% of a net market, something like that. Last take profit target you can place above this bearish order block area, potential profit around 250%, potential stop loss around 11%, risk reward ratio 22. This is really great. So yeah, if I will be opening here some long-term long position, I more likely want to see here a retest of this bullish order block area, not breakout and then support confirmation of this bearish order block, because this trade is actually not giving us that good risk reward ratio, because the potential stop loss you need to place under this bearish order block, so it will be around 30% of a net market. And even if you will be speculating on a new all-time high, your risk reward ratio is still not gonna be that great. Let's now summarize it. Right now we are with my Discord trading group in a long position, which we opened in this exact area. You can see we hit the perfect bottom, and we are currently in a profit around like 17.5%. My next take profit target is in this bearish order block area. Right now I'm expecting there is pretty high probability that we are actually gonna take liquidity in this area. And if there will be a resistance confirmation, I might be adding some new funds into this trade in this support area. So if you don't want to miss out, as I said, don't forget to join my Discord trading group. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. So yeah, guys, definitely let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts about this coin and what is the exact price that you are expecting this coin is gonna hit. And I will see you in the next video. See ya.